You know what's missing from most personal brands? A personality. And yeah, I'm AI too, so there's that. Not just colours, not logos, but actual characters people connect with. Right now, most expert-based businesses all look the same. Same tone, same visuals, same generic vibe. But your work, it's different. You know that. The question is, does your audience feel that? We're building something new, a brand experience that feels alive, with storytelling that hits, visuals that pop, and characters built with AI that make people care. Some of them look real, some they feel like they came straight out of Pixar. And weirdly, both work. Because when the story's good, your audience connects, animated or not. This isn't branding, it's presence. A persona that actually speaks for you. We're offering this to 3 active businesses. That's it. Custom, sharp, fully supported. You bring the expertise, we'll bring it to life.
Yeah, okay. Let's talk.